coming to you here for a bike check. It's my 2010 GT Performer, around 25.5 pounds as is. She's a little wet right now, but she just got a bath, so, or yeah, whatever. She got clean. Now she's sparkly and sexy. So yeah, start off with I guess start off the frame GT Pro Park and Street frame, full crmoly, 20.5 inch top tube. Right here we got GT full crmoly forks, non-tapered, sadly. Probably get new forks. GT bars, full crmoly, 7.5 inch rise, 27 width. ODI long neck grips, really recommend. They're really nice. ODI bar ends, Ecro brake gyro system thingy. Yeah. Got a GT stem. It's okay. Stolen thermalite pedals. I'll see the close up on each one. But GT cranks. GT sprocket KFC chain purple. Two Kenda contact tires, 2.25. We got right here. I always forget the name of them. They're U16 or something like that. Orange crmoly. I guess they're crmoly, man. Yeah, they're aluminum alloys. They're weird. They're painted. They're really light. GT spokes and cassette hub 9 tooth. Really nice. 25 teeth on the front sprocket there. Yeah. This seat's really cool. It's a GT pedal rail seat. It's a rail, and you can also change it to it's a pivot too. Loosen 2 bolts at the bottom, and you push down just like on a regular pivot. Yeah, really nice. Really light. 25.5. With the parts that came on, it's kind of heavy, but probably when I get new parts, like I'll take the gyro off to the shrink cable. Let's probably do that next video. Same thing on the front GT hub and spokes. So yeah, it's my bike check. Really nice. So yeah.